everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly special at the 2026 BMW Alpina M4 GT. This car takes the already incredible BMW M4 platform and elevates it with Alpina's signature luxury, engineering finesse, and performance tuning. If you love performance coupes with racing DNA but still want comfort and exclusivity, the Alpina M4 GT might just be your dream ride. Let's go through its design, performance, and features in detail. Body panels. The body of the 2026 Alpina M4 GT is sculpted for aerodynamics and strength. Lightweight carbon fiber panels reduce weight while increasing rigidity, giving it sharper handling and better efficiency. The coupe silhouette flows with clean, aggressive lines, and Alpina exclusive aerodynamic components like a front splitter, side skirts, and rear diffuser add to both its styling and downforce. Headlights. Up front, you'll find BMW's laser light technology in slim, angular housings. These headlights deliver unmatched illumination, extending visibility by nearly 600 meters at night. Adaptive high beam assistance ensures you always get the right amount of light without blinding oncoming drivers, perfect for spirited drives or long trips. Taillights. The taillights are slim OLED units that wrap around the rear and give the Alpina M4 GT a futuristic look. They feature animated lighting signatures during lock and unlock, ensuring the car makes a bold statement even when stationary. Grille. At the center sits the signature kidney grille, finished in Alpina's own design touches with chrome detailing and active air flaps. These flaps automatically open and close to balance cooling with aerodynamics, making the car both efficient and powerful. Seats. Inside, the Alpina M4 GT seats combine racing performance with long-distance comfort. They're crafted from hand-stitched Lavlina leather, a hallmark of Alpina luxury, and provide excellent bolstering for spirited driving. Heated, ventilated, and memory functions ensure the perfect seating position for any journey. Dashboard. The dashboard is refined with Alpina exclusive wood or carbon trim inserts and bespoke stitching. A fully digital 12.3-inch driver display gives customizable layouts, while Alpina logos and ambient lighting create an atmosphere that's both sporty and luxurious. Infotainment system. The centerpiece is BMW's iDrive 9 infotainment system with a 14.9-inch curved touchscreen. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, AI-based voice recognition, and real-time performance tracking. Alpina adds unique menus displaying performance data, G-force readings, and even lap timers for track days. Steering wheel. The steering wheel is wrapped in Lavlina leather with Alpina stitching, giving you a tactile, premium feel. It features aluminum paddle shifters for quick gear changes and multi-function controls to keep everything at your fingertips while driving. Engine. Under the hood, the 2026 Alpina M4 GT packs a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-6, heavily reworked by Alpina engineers. Power output is expected to be around 590 horsepower, paired with immense torque for rapid acceleration. With Alpina's tuning, you get a blend of raw racing performance and smooth drivability. Hybrid option. Adding to this is a mild hybrid 48-volt system that gives an extra boost during acceleration, smooths power delivery, and improves efficiency. It not only enhances performance but also ensures the Alpina M4 GT is compliant with stricter emissions regulations, without sacrificing driving thrill. Airbags. Safety is a top priority, and the Alpina M4 GT includes a comprehensive suite of airbags: a front, side, curtain, and knee protection for both driver and passengers, ensuring peace of mind during high-speed or daily drives. Parking assist. Despite being a performance coupe, it's surprisingly practical. The advanced parking assist system with a 360-degree surround view camera makes tight parking spots easier than ever. Automated steering, sensors, and alerts reduce the hassle in urban environments. Battery. The 48-volt hybrid battery not only supports the EcoBoost system but also powers the car's electronics, including advanced driver assistance systems and the infotainment unit. It recharges through regenerative braking, making the system seamless and maintenance-free. Lighting. Ambient lighting plays a huge role in the cabin, offering up to 64 colors and dynamic patterns. Outside, the car features advanced laser headlights and OLED taillights that combine functionality with stunning aesthetics. Charging. Being a mild hybrid, the Alpina M4 GT doesn't require external charging. The system charges automatically as you drive, giving you the hybrid benefits without ever needing to plug in. Trunk space. For a performance coupe, the trunk is surprisingly usable, with enough space for a weekend's luggage or even track gear. Alpina ensures the car remains practical despite its sporty intentions. Folding seats. The rear seats fold down in a split configuration, giving extra room for a longer cargo. This makes the Alpina M4 GT a car that can handle not just spirited drives, but also real-world usability. Roof rails. Being a coupe, roof rails aren't standard here, as the design prioritizes aerodynamics and aesthetics. However, Alpina focuses on trunk practicality instead, so daily use isn't compromised. Price. The 2026 BMW Alpina M4 GT is expected to start around $110,000, reflecting its exclusivity, handcrafted luxury, and Alpina's engineering upgrades. Fully loaded versions with customization could climb higher, making it a collector's favorite. Release date. The 2026 BMW Alpina M4 GT is expected to hit select dealerships in late 2025, around the same time as the launch of the 2026 Toyota Corolla, which will be available in late 2025 as well. While the Corolla caters to practicality and affordability, the Alpina M4 GT delivers exclusivity and performance on another level. Ending note. And that wraps up our in-depth look at the 2026 BMW Alpina M4 GT. This car isn't just about speed, it's about precision engineering, handcrafted luxury, and that Alpina exclusivity that makes it stand apart from the standard M4. What do you think? Is the Alpina M4 GT the ultimate luxury performance coupe? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into the latest performance cars. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.